Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can check referral code in Blofin. So let's get straight into it. First thing you need to do is log into your account. Then when you are logged in, go here to the more. Hover over to more and then you will see the third option here is referral. So click on that and you will see here commission rate 30%. And you will see here your referral code and also referral link, so you can then invite your friends and your colleagues with that link and code. So this is it, how you can check referral code. Now this new user bonus, so friends who sign up using your code are usually eligible for welcome reward or trading fee rebates. And also you can track this referral history, including how many people have signed up and the total commission you have earned. So this we will find here. So if we go here to this profile picture, to the assets, and then we will see here history or account analyze. So under here you will see some information about referral history also. And yeah, this is how you can check your referral code in Blofin. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next